Hello friends, it is Friday and I'm so excited to be here. In today's video, I'm going to be cash stuffing my wallet, but first we're going to be counting the money that we're going to be using for this pay period. If this is content you're interested in, please stay tuned. Alrighty guys, let's count this money. We should have $750 here and we are going to be cash stuffing our wallet. We'll be working on everything else in the upcoming days, but today is Friday and I'm hoping to get to Sam's Club early. I don't like going during the weekends, but I'm gonna see what I do. Let me put the wallet to the side. Let's bring this over my calculator just to make sure I don't make any mistakes. So we've got 1, 2, 180, 170, 145, and I might have to push all this money back one because we have some $2 bills. That's 20. Can I pause for a second? I asked the teller. I went in the bank, I went inside, and I asked her if I could get some, good looking ones, guys. These are a mess. Look at that piece of tissue paper. I couldn't believe it. I couldn't believe it. I was like, huh, thank God I asked for good bills because these are okay. But guys, I was done. And the fives were no better. All right, so let's continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. $35. And yes, we have $750. Alrighty, and like I said, today we are going to cash stuff my wallet. If you guys saw my budget with me video, you guys would have seen that I'm going to be cash stuffing a little different this week because I have hopefully dinner plans on Thursday, and so I'm going to save just a little more to help with the cost of that dinner. So for groceries this week, we are going to be cash stuffing $200. That's 1, 2, and again, we might be going to Sam's Club today, so most of this money will be gone. For gasoline, I already put gas in my car, but we're gonna do 20 just in case we need it. Household has 10 going into it today. Fun day will have 10 as well. And I'm gonna have to up the amount that I put in here because summer break is starting next week and the kids are gonna want to go and get ice cream and water ice, things like that. So that's usually what I use this for. I do always set aside money for different activities that we have, but that's just we run to the store, they want some candy, just for little play money. Next is dining out. So normally we do 40, but today I'm going to put extra. We're going to do 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 5, 90, 95, $200. Let me see if I have any raggedy bills here, which I know I do. I was going to get rid of some of them, but all right. What am I doing? What am I doing, guys? Okay, so 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80. Did I not just grab 5? 1, 2, 3, 4. I tell you. So we've got $200 going in here. And let's see. Oh, Lordy. We've got 200 going in here, and miscellaneous is going 10. Let's get rid of some of these raggedy ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and Some of these twos, well, the twos were pretty good. They weren't too bad. Let's get rid of a couple of the twos. So we've got 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Guys, when I say raggedy, this money is raggedy. Alrighty, guys, that is it. That is all I have for you today. I know this was a fairly quick video. I have Jaden downstairs homeschooling. Aaliyah should be logging in soon, so I didn't want to take too long. I will be back. We have some challenges that we need to stuff, so I'll be back with that as well. Hopefully throughout the weekend, I'll be able to get some of that stuff done. If not, guys, if I don't speak to you, have a wonderful weekend. Guys, stay blessed. And as always, we will be chatting soon.